Briefly, in the general management and administration, the policies of the government of Ebonyi State is firm on achieving quality education, learning and discipline, possibly to better than it were in the 80s and mid-90s. So the ministry under the government provides the policies and regulations, enforcement and description of a standard for all the schools, covering public schools, private and faith-based. And in this case, with active partnership with the Catholic and other denominations. The general overview of the achievement of the Ministry of Education as touching the primary, the secondary and the tertiary. The government has a very robust funding mechanism and policy promotion and implementation in SUBEB, the State Universal Basic Education Board, in partnership with the UBEC in Abuja, and in the operations of the Better Education Service Delivery for All, an exercise that cuts across all our collective localities, especially in primary and junior secondary. The ministry also has an arm called the Secondary Education Board, in which case we partner with the Association of Nigerian Conference of Principals, as well as the junior secondary school principals, and of course, lots of achievements through the partnership of our Association of Primary School Head Teachers. In this case, we collectively aim at restoring Parent-Teachers Association to enable the policies and programs of government at the state level cascade effectively to the ruralites, as every one of us come from one village or the other, and there is a particular school in your locality. We also have an arm that we parastated that covers the tertiary education. You bear witness with me that we have here, most of you and most of us are product of the Ebonyi State University, the Ebonyi State College of Education, Ikwo, the various colleges of health sciences, and the upcoming world-class King David University of Medical Sciences, which have been mentioned here, in partnership with the Conference of Catholic Bishops of Nigeria. And the upcoming two universities, the University of Aeronautic Engineering and that of ICT and Science Technology, courtesy of the good effort and initiative of our leader, the Governor of Ebonyi State. And then quickly, an overview of what you also witnessed to, the rapid development of infrastructure in our school sector. Even as I speak, many of you can attest to it that you find now story buildings in our primary schools, despite the location. As I speak, there is ongoing need assessment for the next phase of 2019 UBEP projects in our primary and the junior secondary schools, covering provision of even solar-powered boreholes to such localities that did not have it earlier than now, provision of toilets, because that is part of human capital development, that will stop open defecation and provision of water source to our ruralites, especially to our children, as to increase the school health. There is also provision for more school buildings and renovation of existing ones, as well as provision of facilities for learning and teaching.
Thank you.
Desks and tables for our teachers. Finally, I want to mention also there have been very great reason to celebrate the human resource for education. While the governor is injecting more, Ebonyi celebrates that we now have, before creation, we have less than 20 doctors. Now we have over 30,000 medical doctors. We have a number of engineers, lawyers, and even media practitioners like all of us here. And in the forthcoming recruitment exercise, over 70% will go to the education sector. I want to quickly mention that even partnership and collaboration have given us a lot to celebrate. We have here in Ebonyi State, the Alex Ekwueme Federal University with the teaching hospital. We have the National Obstetric Fistula Center in Ebonyi State that is providing the basic health services also, and with improvement in human resource for health. We have also the Federal College of Agriculture in Ishiago, we're an agrarian state, and as well the Polytechnic in Unwana for the baseline and frontline technicians and artisans in Ebonyi State. and the upcoming Federal College of Education Technical in Isu that will start this October, and many more that are in pipeline. Ladies and gentlemen, I must remind us to celebrate our governor. Despite the economic crunch, is regularly paying every one of us salaries, especially the teachers, including the upcoming human resource in education and also their promotion. Thank you. As I quote the governor that says, may God continue to bless and prosper Ebonyi State.